you kind of get to that, wait a second, hold on. You have that reality wake up of people need to be where they want to be. People need to be doing what they want to be doing. You can't force somebody, you can't force what a square into a round hole kind of thing. And our systems and processes work. Like we know what we're doing here. And it was a great opportunity to bring in some new agents and hook them into our system and watch them fly into success. I mean, I have two right now that have been with us for less than 30 days, 45 days, that just both got accepted offers. So knowing that like we have all the tools here for an agent to be successful, you kind of forget that in the moment of like, oh God, what are we doing? What's happening?
Yeah.
Why are people leaving? What is happening? And
It
you just
causes
realize
it
like
causes some self-reflection, right? I mean, it's like
a
where it's
ton.
it's almost it's almost for some of us, single people, right? It is like, well, was it me? Right? Like, kind of
Yeah.
looking in the mirror going, okay, well, what, is it this, is it that? And like you
Yeah.
said, sometimes it's just it's 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 growth. It's
Yeah.
evolution, right? It's
Yeah.
sometimes people are only meant to be part of our story for a chapter, right?
Yep.
And
Agree.
some might only be a paragraph, right?